Travis County, as we said before, is seeing an increase in new HIV cases. And a partnership between Austin Public Health and Texas Health Action hopes to curb the numbers. Joining us this morning on KVUE News Midday, Stephen Tamayo. He is the Director of Community Health for Texas Health Action. Thanks so much for joining us to talk about this. And so tell us more about the rise in HIV cases here in our county.
Yeah, so Texas Health Action recently released a community health report for 2023 data, and we did see that about 1 in 5 patients who came in to see us were testing positive for an STI. And moreover, on top of that, disproportionately impacted were Black and Latino MSM, or men who have sex with men. And so it's interesting to see how the data has trended over the years since 2012, when the FDA approved PrEP, which is an HIV prevention medication. Rates were steady around a little over 250 new diagnoses that year, and steadily held steady until Kind Clinic was actually founded in 2015, and we actually saw a decrease.
That's what I thought.
Reached its lowest numbers during the pandemic, really, in 2020, but then shot right back up in 2021 for a multitude of different reasons.
And what are those reasons?
We were coming out of a pandemic, so that could contribute to it. People might not have been able to access healthcare. You have to factor in transportation. People might not have time to take off of work, or access to childcare, or might not feel safe going to a doctor, medical mistrust. There's a lot of factors that go into why somebody might not be in care.
But this new partnership hopes to address that, right? What does it do?
Yeah, so there's the new campaign, HIV Ends With You, and the U stands for undetectable equals untransmittable. So when somebody is regularly taking their medication, they are virally suppressed, or what is known as undetectable, and they can not pass on the virus to their partners. And so this is taking a holistic approach and making sure that individuals who do test positive for HIV are linked to the essential support services and medical support services that they need, that are geographically relevant to them. So it's not just one agency taking control of this. It is citywide, countywide. So there's a lot of resources that are listed on that campaign's website, so that folks have access to all the information that they need to make the correct decision for them.
And let's give them that website for people who want more resources.
I should know this, actually, but the campaign is HIV Ends With You, and so you could Google that, and it'll pop up right for you.
And you can contact Austin Public Health or the Kind Clinic, and they'll be more than happy to tell you. Stephen Tamayo, thank you so much for joining us to tell us about this new campaign.